as we're getting near the end of this show today, are there any final thoughts that you have that you'd like to leave with our audience?
Sure. So again, if you are an entrepreneur or a small business owner, you have to have a USP and you have to have a DTP. Make sure that you very clearly define what those are. Once you have those defined, then derive the keywords that are necessary for your content. Again, keywords are the DNA of your content, and you want to make sure that you hit the right keywords. Next, what you got to do is create that content and create those backlinks, because unless you could do that, you're not going to get any organic traffic to the website. And by the way, Dennis, we offer at our chapter a digital marketing workshop that we give a few times a year that I would welcome everybody to go on the manasota.score.org website to learn about it. It's usually a sold out workshop, but when it's announced and the registration is open, feel free to sign up, because a lot of what we talked about is discussed in detail in that workshop.
Yeah, I've been to them, and I've helped bring in the extra chairs when we hit over 92 people in the room, and the stadium only holds, the auditorium only holds 88 seats.